What's up, guys? It's Becca Switzer with Roof Sales Mastery and author of Diamonds in the Sky. And I just got done recording a video about it's the new year, what to be doing during the new year, and it's kind of a fresh start and things like that. And then immediately following that, I just read a comment. I had made a post about actually a physical transformation that I've made over the last, 10 years of my life or something. I was a beluga whale in college, and then I had struggled with eating disorders off and on for several years, and then finally got into weightlifting and like transformed my body and my life and my mindset and things like that. And on that post, one of my clients and friends actually had commented, I'm 6'2", 290 pounds right now. I'd love to see 225 again. And he said, I keep saying tomorrow is the day that I'm going to get back to the gym and I'm going to start, eating better and stuff like that. And it immediately made me think of Monday syndrome. And if people get this weird mindset about, well, I'll just start on Monday or I'll start at the new year. And I've never really been somebody to actually do or implement New Year's resolutions. If you don't like something about your situation right now, change it right now. Right now. You don't need to wait till tomorrow. You don't need to wait till Monday. You don't need to wait for the new year. Take action now. Every single micro decision that you make is going to bring you closer to or further away from your ultimate goal and the result that you're after. So don't get hung up on new year, new me, or I'm going to wait till Monday to start. Start now. If it's weight loss, don't drive through today. Go pick up a salad at the store. If it's you're going to do a better job calling your family, call your grandma right now. Call her in the car instead of blasting Wiz Khalifa, okay? Give her a 5-minute call. If it's, I'm going to do a better job getting up early, start now, okay? You don't need to wait. Waiting is such an illusion. There is no good time to start. You're never going to feel ready. So identify what you want and then start making every single micro decision in alignment with that choice. That's how you make progress. You don't put it off. And there's a quote that I love, and it says something like, do not let the time it takes to achieve a goal scare you from starting. The time will pass anyway. So 10 months from now, 10 days from now, you'll be happy you started today. There's another quote that says, I know I just bomb you guys with quotes, but I love quotes. They do such a good job succinctly delivering a message. And it says, the best time to plant a tree was 10 years ago. The next best time is today. So do that. Embody it. Becca Switzer out. As always, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Check out the website, www.roofsalesmastery.com. Zane's back. We'll catch you later. Bye, guys.